This morning, the Supreme Court took a sledgehammer to the rule of law. No, that's not some kind of communist exaggeration. That's what Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson said. This decision is an existential threat to the rule of law. The case? Trump's illegal order to overturn birthright citizenship, a right guaranteed in the 14th Amendment for over 150 years, a right won in the ashes of slavery, a right which overturned Dred Scott, the infamous decision that said black people have no rights a white man is bound to respect, a right that clearly applies to the children of immigrants. But now the Supreme Court says that Trump can violate the Constitution as long as nobody sues fast enough, or if they don't sue in every part of the country. As ICE snatches parents and children off the streets, birthright citizenship could soon be suspended in most of the country. Thousands of newborns could be rendered stateless, and the Supreme Court just gutted the ability of the federal courts to stop Trump from breaking other laws. Let's be clear. Donald Trump could have tried to overturn birthright citizenship through legal means, but he didn't, because as Bob Avakian explains,
if Trump wanted to legally and constitutionally change this, which itself would be a very bad reactionary move, he could try to do so by following the procedures for amending the Constitution that are set forth in the Constitution itself. But that is just the point. Trump does not recognize any limits to his fascist dictatorship. Not the Constitution, and not the laws or the rule of law and due process of law.
Let that sink in. Trump doesn't recognize any limits to his fascist dictatorship. And then just this morning, he came out in a press conference and he whined that he's been the victim of more federal injunctions than any president ever before.
We've been hit with more nationwide injunctions than were issued in the entire 20th century. Me.
Of course you've been blocked more than any other president because you, motherfucker, have broken the law more than any other president. We've been told yet again that these courts will do nothing to stop Donald Trump's fascism. It is going to fall to us, the people, in our millions. It is our responsibility to stop this fascist atrocity now before it becomes too late. So join refusefascism.org this July 1st through the 4th. We will be in the streets across this country, and then on July 4th, we will march to the White House. We will declare our independence in the name of humanity from Trump's fascist America. We will raise the biggest chant heard round the world. Trump must go now! If you care about the future, you need to be there.